been about 2 weeks since I last went ahead and drove this car, so hopefully everything is good. Hopefully there isn't any issues. You guys just saw how loud it is. But we're gonna head out to a sunset nighttime-ish type of POV video for you guys. Let's see how it goes. So it's been a little while since I last went ahead and did a POV video for you guys. I think the last one might have been in the daytime if I'm not wrong, but today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be heading out to a car meet. Now this is a very local car meet. I haven't really heard much of it, but it's like 15 minutes away from me, so I thought why not cruise over there, check the car meet out, and then come back. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing today. It's been a while since I last drove the FRS. It's been more than 2 weeks, and yeah, I've barely been driving this car. The situation with the car is still kind of the same. The car really badly still does need a clutch, which I've honestly just been postponing, and I'm going to be doing really soon. I have all the parts. I'm just trying to make time in order for us to go ahead and get that done. I've honestly just been daily driving the Lexus pretty much every single day. If you guys don't know, I do have a Lexus IS250. There's a whole entire story behind that car. If you guys want to check that out, I'll have the videos linked down below or somewhere on the channel. But yeah, honestly, that car has been pretty comfortable, and this car has turned into like my weekend car. And honestly, that's super weird because this used to be my daily. The weather is actually really good too, so gonna finally be able to get you guys some window down clips. That tune is still on the car as well. I know I said in the last video as well that I'm gonna go ahead and try to, oh my god, I thought that was a cop. But I did say in my last video as well, I'm gonna try to get the car retuned. I've also put that to the side. But again, once the clutch is done, I'm gonna hopefully do the tune at the exact same time. But nighttime vibes, this is how the car is. Obviously, we have that little bit of a Christmas tree going on with the dash. We still have some ABS lights on the car, but these star lights right over here, I mention this all the time. These are amazing. And then you might not be able to see it as well because I do have a bag with me, but we do have some footwell lighting on the bottom. I have them switched to red, of course. That matches the whole vibe of the car. And then you'll see all the carbon bits, the blacked out buttons. And then you'll also see the iDoing head unit, which a lot of you guys really like, and a lot of you guys always ask me about. And I'm noticing a lot of you guys clicking on the links in the description when it comes to the iDoing head unit. And again, my stance is still the same. If you have an FRS BRZ 86, this is such a sick mod to do.
A few moments later.
So we went ahead and got some bubble tea. They didn't have my regular brown sugar milk tea with brown sugar pearls, so I just got a roasted milk tea with brown sugar pearls. I'm hoping this is good. I don't even know what the difference is. I guess there's just not enough brown sugar, but normally this is fire, so hopefully this is good. All right, a quick little taste test. Honestly, tastes the exact same. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Damn, we have a S2K right over here beside a Supra. Damn, this thing is clean. Honestly, I thought this meet would be a lot bigger. It had like 100+ shares and there's a total of like 20 people here, which is kind of crazy. Anyways, we're gonna go back to the nighttime POV driving. I really wanted this meet to be a bit better so that I could have got some clips for you guys, but yeah, it is what it is. We're gonna go back and head back home. Got a Civic in front of us. I can't tell if it's a Type R or not from the back of it, but it is modified. Pull up beside it and you might be able to tell. Okay, it definitely isn't a Type R. Even though the car meet didn't turn out as I expected, I hope all of you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the nighttime POV. If you guys have made it this far into today's video, I appreciate every single one of you. Make sure to scroll down below and hit this video with a like. And also, if you guys want to see more of these videos, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.